Hi, boys and girls. So you are now taking your How Do You Raise a Raisin comprehension test, okay? Remember that right here at the top, you may click on this and it will take you to the story so that you can read it one more time before taking this test. You can also have that story open to go back and forth between this test and the story to find your answers. Remember right here to write your first and last name. Number 1. What causes grapes to become raisins? A. They are grown on vines. B. They are dried in the sun. C. They are wrinkled over time. D. They are pressed by machines. Remember, the question is what causes grapes to become raisins? Look for that answer in the story. Choose your answer. Number 2. Why are grapevine branches most likely tied to wires? A. To help the grapevines grow quickly. B. To help the grapevines connect to each other. C. To help the grapevines grow in the right direction. D. To help the grapevines get as much water as possible. Remember, you may press pause to go find your answer in this text in the story. Come back and answer and press play. Number 3. The passage says that grape pickers take grape clusters from the vines. What does the word clusters mean? Rows, seeds, leaves, bunches. Number 4. How are the poems connected to the rest of the passage? The poems ask questions about raisins, and then the author answers them. The poems tell facts about raisins, and then the author explains her opinions. The poems explain the history of raisins, and then the author tells about them today. The poems tell how raisins are like grapes, and then the author shows how they are different. Choose the best answer on how poems are connected to the rest of the passage. Last one. 5. What is the main idea of the passage? Raisins are used in different ways. Raisins are grown all over the world. It takes many grapes to make raisins. There are many steps in making raisins. So you'll notice there are only 5 questions on this test today. So choose carefully by looking in your book, in your text, for the answers. Remember, you may only take this one time. Hit submit, and you are done.